The most anticipated earnings releases for the week of September 9, 2024. Presented by Earnings Whispers. It is a light week for earnings, as you'll need to get accustomed to for the next several weeks. Still, there are 50 companies set to report, including some key names. While there are about a dozen companies reporting on Monday, Oracle clearly tops the list. It is an AI name, and trends have been positive, but we are still in the spot where spending to build out AI is outpacing revenue coming in. So the question is just how much investors want to front-run future results. On Tuesday, we have everyone's favorite meme stock when GameStop reports after the close. The secular headwinds for the company persist, but gaming spending was positive during the quarter, which allows for upside against muted expectations. Also, after the close on Tuesday, we'll also get results from Dave & Buster's. Despite fear of a slowdown, the consumer continues to spend on eating out and entertainment, but sentiment held around record highs throughout 2023 and early 2024, until the company missed expectations in April, and now the stock has been trending lower. Along with estimates and the outlook for next quarter are weak, so what the company says about the future will likely be more important than the results. On Wednesday, investors are most interested in Manchester United. There isn't a lot of insight, but it is the first full quarter since Ratcliffe bought into the company. And the team, well, they've had better years. But also, on a light day, there is focus on Vera Bradley, where expectations have dropped swiftly during the quarter. So the only real question is whether expectations have gotten too low too fast. The main event on Thursday is Adobe, which continues to be among the early leaders in AI, with steady growth in adoption with a new boost now as the company raises prices. There is also a lot of interest in biglots. You might remember this was on the schedule last week, but the night before it was supposed to report earnings, the company said they weren't ready and pushed the announcement to this week. Perhaps that is because a white knight is coming in or something else is in the works. But typically companies that can't report on time simply haven't figured out how they want to tell you the bad news. You can take the day off on Friday because there is nothing scheduled. When it comes to big movers, most of the AI and software names are behind us for a little while, so of course, that means traders are looking for big moves this week from the avocado companies. Looking out now into early October, the calendar is light, but we see the early glimpse of next quarter's earnings season with JP Morgan and others on the 11th. Shh.